Tuesday morning, 1 degree outside. Weather Network. I'm meteorologist Matt Noyes. 24-hour forecast and Noyes' notes for you. Just a reminder here with a couple of snow showers here and there. You want to see them on radar, find out exactly when they end in the hourly forecast. You can do it all with our app. Free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. The number 1 degree outside weather. Noyes' notes. The big ideas we've been thinking about and want to share with you. Look, there's no question in my mind that we've broken the back of winter. Midwinter is gone now. We are into the last 2 weeks of February, which frankly is the end of meteorological winter. So the sun angle is equivalent to late October now. You're starting to feel that, see that with some melting that goes on quicker. You're also going to see it with a change in the consistency of the snow. Will it snow in the next couple of weeks? Yeah, but it's not going to be that cold, dry, fluffy snow for the most part. We just don't have that same amount of cold air around. And you'll see that in the temperature forecast in the 14-day on our app. The other thing is there's a few slick spots this morning, some patchy black ice, a snow shower here and there. We do have more unsettled weather coming. You're going to get some Wednesday night. You're going to get some again on Friday night. And you're going to get some again on Sunday night. And that's not the end of it. Next couple of weeks are busy. But again, different consistency to it, even where it snows. Notice on the predicted radar as we get to midday today, any of the light snow showers and flurries continue to move to the north and east and really fall apart. So by the afternoon, there's not much to speak of anymore, maybe a flurry up in northern Maine. And even heading into the overnight tonight, it's quiet for the most part. Just so you know, though, that next system that comes in for tomorrow night, that is going to start up in the morning between 6 and 8 a.m. as maybe a little light freezing rain in western Mass, particularly Berkshire County, perhaps the hills of northwest Connecticut and southern Vermont. So if you treat roadways and parking lots, I want you to watch our hourly forecast here as we get into it because you may start up a little bit earlier. Otherwise, we mentioned this in Insights, which you can always check out. It's going to be generally north of the Mass Pike and particularly north of Route 2. There's a little bit of a problem with some freezing precipitation for a little while tomorrow. But having said that, if you treat the roads because of that sun angle this time of the year, it does make a big difference, even where it's going to snow in northern New England. So in the next 24 hours, which doesn't include that Wednesday night stuff, this is just through tomorrow morning, you can see it's generally a coating of snow that comes down today in spots. It's spotty. You might be able to squeeze out a good solid inch with elevation in parts of central New Hampshire and a little bit more in the higher terrain of Maine or again in the crown of Vermont or in the crown of Maine. High temperatures today, what stands out to me, even with a morning snow shower here and there, we're still able to make it 40 or better across southern New England. You know what? We do the same thing in central New England, about 40 degrees at Concord, Antrim, and Manchester, running into the 40s all the way up through Wallingford, Vermont. So everybody gets to do some melting by this afternoon. North Country, same thing. 35 to 40 when you get up by the Canadian border. Crown of Maine should make it up to the melting point by the time we're done with the day as well. So definitely, again, kind of rounding that bend, coming into late winter and getting ready for that transition to early spring. Just keep in mind that at night, you can still freeze things up again. And really isn't much wind over the next 24 hours. You don't need to worry too much about that. And 1,000 of you members now at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. You're the fuel that keeps us going. We appreciate you. See you again with more always at 1 Degree Outside.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. And don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the number 1 Degree Outside weather.